Hi, I am Ben, and I love coming to school to see all my awesome classmates.
Today is going to be a very interesting day because we have someone new joining us.
Look at him standing over there by the brick wall, and he looks so quiet and completely frozen.
Hello there! My name is Ben. What is your name, and where are you from?
Hey, Ben! Who is your new friend here, Whitman? Did he just arrive at our school today? Hi, I am Lucy. It is super nice to meet you, and welcome to our wonderful school.
Still nothing. He is not smiling or saying anything at all, and this is very unusual.
Oh, there goes the morning bell. It is time for everyone to head inside to the classrooms.
Come on, let us go inside together so we do not get late for our first morning lesson.
The hallway is always so noisy and full of excitement on Monday mornings.
He is following us, but he looks very nervous about all the loud noise around him.
Here is our main classroom. It is filled with cool projects and friendly faces.
Good morning, class, and please take your seats quickly so we can begin our wonderful day. Today we have a brand new student joining our class, and I want everyone to welcome him. Let us all give a big, warm welcome to our new classmate who just arrived today. Would you like to introduce yourself to everyone and tell us your name, please?
The whole room is completely silent now, waiting for him to say something to us.
He still does not smile or speak, and he just stands there looking completely frozen and scared.
That is perfectly fine, and you can go sit right over there next to Ben for today.
Hey, don't worry, you can share my English textbook with me for this morning lesson.
Today, we are going to practice talking about our favorite hobbies and what we like to do. Who wants to go first and share their favorite hobby with the rest of the class?
I love playing soccer in the park every single weekend with my older brother. My favorite hobby is drawing colorful animals and painting beautiful flowers in my notebook.
What about you? What is your favorite hobby or subject that you enjoy doing the most? That is all right. We can practice more together later when you feel completely comfortable. Let us all open our notebooks now and write 3 short sentences about our favorite hobbies.
I am writing about soccer, but his page is totally empty. He hasn't written anything yet.
Look, you can see how I wrote my sentences here, and it is really easy and simple.
He is finally picking up his pencil, but his face is still so incredibly serious.
Time is flying by so fast, and the morning lessons are already coming to an end.
There is the lunch bell. It is time to go to the cafeteria and eat some food.
Everyone is starving and running out of the classroom to get their lunch trays. Hey, Are you coming to the cafeteria with us to eat some delicious lunch today? He is shaking his head no, but he cannot stay here in the classroom all by himself.
Come on, it will be fun, and they have awesome pizza and fresh apples in the cafeteria today.
Awesome! He is finally standing up, and let us go get a good table before it gets packed.
The cafeteria is so loud and busy today, and there are kids talking everywhere you look. Grab a red tray right here, and the food smells absolutely amazing this afternoon.
He gets his lunch tray, but he looks around the big room like he is totally lost.
Follow me right over here, and I see a great spot with lots of sunlight by the window.
Sit down right here with us, and this is our favorite spot to eat and talk every day.
My mom made me a huge turkey sandwich today. Ben, what kind of food do you have?
Wow, look at that. His lunch looks completely different from ours and smells delicious.
That food looks incredibly tasty. And did your family make that special meal for you today?
He is just staring at his plate, and he looks too nervous to even take one small bite.
Here, you can have half of my chocolate chip cookie. It is the best dessert ever.
He is taking the cookie, and this is a great sign. And maybe he is starting to relax.
See? I told you it was delicious, and everyone loves chocolate chip cookies for lunch. Looks like lunchtime is almost over, and let us clean up our trays and head outside.
Make sure to drop your trash right here in the big gray recycling bins.
Finally, it is recess time, my absolute favorite part of the entire school day.
The playground is so full of energy today, and there are so many fun games happening. He is standing against the wall again, just watching everyone else have fun without him.
Hey, we need one more player for our big soccer game over here on the field. Come on, you have to play soccer with us. It is the most fun game ever. Yes, please join our team and we can play together and score lots of amazing goals.
Look, it is super easy. Just kick the ball straight to me like this.
Go ahead, give it a big kick, and I am ready to catch it right here.
Wow, look at that smooth kick, and that was actually a really perfect pass to me.
Nice job. Now kick it back to me again. You are really good at this game. Awesome. He is kicking it harder now, and he is doing a truly wonderful job. Catch this pass, and let us see how fast we can move the ball between us. We are playing so well together, and this is turning out to be a great recess.
Look, his face is changing on, I think. I just saw a tiny smile on his face.
Oh, recess is already over. Time to head back inside for our final afternoon class. That soccer game was so much fun, and we should definitely play again tomorrow morning.
Now we just have to finish our final quiet study hour before we can go home. Excellent work today, everyone. And you all did a fantastic job with your writing assignments.
Thank you for trying so hard today, and I am very proud of your great effort.
He looks so happy about that star, and he worked really hard during the lesson. There is the final bell. School is officially over for the day. Time to pack up.
Everyone is packing up their bags so quickly, excited to go home and play games.
I am all packed up and ready to go, and let us head out to the front gate.
We are walking out together, and he seems much calmer now than this morning.
The front courtyard is packed with parents waiting to welcome everyone back home.
Hey, I had an awesome day with you today, and I hope you had fun at our school.
I am sorry. I am just very nervous because my English is not very good yet.
Oh, wow. So that is why you were so completely quiet and unsmiling all day long. This is my very first day speaking English in a brand new school, and I was scared.
Oh, don't worry about that at all. Your English sounds absolutely perfect to me right now. We can practice English together every single day until you feel completely confident and happy.
Thank you so much, Ben. And my name is Leo, and I am very happy to be your friend. I was so scared this morning, but now I feel so much better about this school.
Hi, Leo. Your smile is absolutely wonderful, and we are so incredibly happy to have you here. Here is a little welcome gift for you, and I made it myself during our art class break.
This is so beautiful. Thank you, Lucy, and I will wear it every single day at school.
Goodbye, children. See you all tomorrow morning for another wonderful day of learning together.
Goodbye, Miss Emma. Have a wonderful evening, and we will see you bright and early tomorrow.
Look, there is Leo's mom coming to pick him up after his very first day.
Mom, look, these are my amazing new friends, Ben and Lucy. They help me all day.
Thank you so much for being so incredibly kind and welcoming to my son today.
See you tomorrow morning on the playground, Leo. Do not forget your soccer ball.